If you're a developer working with code bases that have millions of lines of code, you know that most AI copilots get lost in the noise. Blitzy claims to solve this with something called infinite code context, and it just set a new record on the SWE Bench Pro leaderboard. But is this tool actually practical for your team? In this Blitzy AI review, I'm going to give you a detailed look at the platform, covering the autonomous features, the pricing structure, and the potential downsides you need to watch out for before you commit to a demo. Here is the main body of the review. Right off the bat, the most striking thing about Blitzy is its focus on massive scale. The site proudly states it holds the #1 spot on SWE Bench Pro with a 66.5% solve rate, which is a benchmark for autonomous software engineering, and it claims to understand over 100 million lines of code in a single pass through what they call infinite code context. This isn't your typical copilot that suggests snippets. Blitzy is designed to ingest your entire repository, build a dynamic knowledge graph, and then orchestrate over 3,000 specialized AI agents to plan, code, and validate. Blitzy structures its evaluation phase into 3 distinct tiers. The first is the Explore plan at $0, which offers unlimited usage but limits you to onboarding 100,000 lines of code, essentially serving as a risk-free trial to test the platform. Moving up, option 1 is Concept Validation, priced at $50,000 for a 2-month term, also onboarding 100,000 lines but with a scope-bound limit on the lines of code it will generate for you. The final evaluation tier is the Structured Pilot at $250,000 for a 6-month term, which significantly increases the onboarding capacity to 5 million lines of code and allows for the generation of up to 1.25 million lines at a rate of 0.2. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. See you in next time.